5 Steps to More Confident Decision Making. How do you make a decision? Do you know the steps? If you're having trouble feeling confident in your actions and wish you had an unwavering self-belief in your decisions, maybe it's time to look at your decision-making process. Decisions made impulsively or without careful thought might not always turn out the way you hope they will. Of course, there's something to be said for instinct and even dumb luck. But what if good decisions were inevitable rather than occasional? Imagine for a moment how it would feel to know you're right before you even act. This is because there are steps you should be going through when making a decision. Let's look at those now. Start with an open mind. Do you automatically have all the answers? Probably not. Some of your beliefs might be biased, faulty, or illogical. Accepting you might have things to learn is the first and most crucial step to making decisions. Take a step back from everything but the raw facts regarding what you're trying to decide. Get the facts. Do you have all the information you need to make an informed decision? Are there things you need to learn? What about examining the options? Have you considered multiple solutions? Take time to put in the work to gather what you need to proceed with confidence. Predict the future. Once you have some choices in mind, try to imagine how they're going to play out. Sometimes what might look good might be a great temporary solution, but you're going to need to do something different in the long run. If you make a certain decision right now, ask yourself if this will still be a good decision in the morning. What about next week or next year? Get another opinion. Do you have a mentor or someone whom you can trust to talk about this? While you might skip this step on the small stuff, it's worth having someone you trust weigh in with their opinion whenever you make a big decision. They might see something you're missing. Act. Sometimes the hardest part about making decisions lies in making the actual decision. It's tempting to go back over the research a few more times or keep looking for other alternatives. At some point, you're going to need to act. Take your best solution and move forward with it with confidence. You've done all the work. Now comes the part where you put this newfound trust in yourself into action. The best part? The more you run through this process, the more confident you'll feel about making decisions in the first place.